So, good day to all of you. This time, I'll show you how to make a report card using MS Excel. So, in this case, we should place our entire card in the middle of the page. So, go to File menu and click Print. We see this we didn't find anything to print, so let's go back. We now see these dashes, so this is the end of each page. So, let's proceed. So this is the subject area. So type those subjects to be typed. So we have Araling Panlipunan, Filipino, Mathematics. So we're done typing those subjects. So in this case, Information and Communications Technology or ICT is too long. So let's fit this in a single cell. So just click Alt and then enter. So this. So again, just do the same in Edukasyon sa Pagpapakatao and just click Alt and then enter. So this is it. We're done typing those subjects. So let's now proceed in typing first grading to fourth grading. So and then fourth grading. So after those gradings, let's now with average. So average and remarks. So just decrease the size. Okay. So now let's type the the grades in each subject in each grading. So we're now done typing those grades. So let's now get the average of each subject. So in getting the average, just make a formula. So this is a formula. And enter. So this 85, this is the average of 85, 86, 84, and 85 grades in Aralin Panlipunan from first grading to fourth. So to make it easier for us to get the average for each subject, just just drag it down until the last subjects. So Okay. So I'm so sorry. It should be 90. So let's get the remarks after the average. Again, just make a formula for remarks. So so this pass, this is the remarks of Araling Panlipunan. So again, to make it easier for us to get the remarks, just drag it down. So let's change the font color of those filling grades into red. So just resize this. So now we're done in making a report card. So let's just give it borders. So all borders, uh, and then after all borders, tick outside borders. So let's replace this into the middle. So we're done. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you appreciate this. So goodbye. 감사합니다.